Okay, let's see what Chaos is doing now. I just have to shut this so he doesn't break out. God damn it. There he is. In this moment, he is just frozen. Like us. Now, I'll just get back when I get to Traeus's lab. Okay, let's see what is Traeus doing. That's Traeus's burger. But where's Traeus? Wait, don't tell me. He made an ice castle? He's crazy. I told him not to. He's gonna get that for Christmas. Alright, his birthday, but he can't get it. God damn it. I told him not to build it. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Traeus, what did you build? There's his what? Traeus, you built that's like a factory. Wait a second. There's a beacon? Are you crazy? He's I don't know what to say, but he's totally crazy. He even has his computer. Oh my gosh. Traeus, what did you build? Here's some snow golems. What did he? I told him not to. He's gonna get it for Christmas. Traeus, you punk. Hey, get back here. No one didn't tell you to run away. Traeus, you're mean, sir. You are mean. Look at me. Look at me when I'm talking to you, Traeus. I know you're kind of unhappy because I saw you, but you really embarrass me. I'm not proud of you. I'm not proud of you at all, Traeus. I'm not. You are such a punk. I mean, I like everything what you did, but it looks like a factory. You really embarrassed me, Traeus. You really did. But I still like it. So, yeah. Hope you dudes all enjoy. Please make sure you check out all of my other videos, like and a comment, and adios amigos.